Guys, it's me, Arush, and today I thought, why not make a recipe video? So I was thinking about this. I remember making this recipe some time ago. White chocolate Oreo fudge. So my relatives are here. They're in Busselton right now. But I thought, why not surprise them when they come back with some white chocolate Oreo fudge? Let's do this. So the way we're going to make this fudge is, first of all, by letting the pan just heat a bit on medium heat on your stove. Just about now. Get about 100 grams of butter and place it in there. And on top of that, we're going to add some chocolate. A lot of chocolate. And then on top of that, we're going to add some condensed milk. Just
1 eternity later.
That's in there. And you get a spatula, and we're going to whisk it. Just nice. And you want to whisk it on low heat, otherwise you're going to burn the chocolate. So if it gets runny, you just want to put it on lower heat. Just want to avoid lumps in your chocolate. That's what sort of ruins this fudge. The mixture should be looking like this. And you want to keep mixing it, otherwise it's going to melt in or solidify. Put it on low heat, and you can add in your Oreos now. Here. Now it depends how you want them. You can crush them in a plastic bag, or you can put them in chunks like I like them. That's about enough. I can just put it in there and mix it until the Oreos are well combined. It smells nice. Turn off the heat. Should be this pasty stuff. And then you can add it to a tray with baking paper. So we're going to transfer it just gently. So now that your fudge mix is in the tray lined with baking paper, you can now take it to the fridge. Place it in there and refrigerate it for an agonizing 4 hours. 4 hours.
1 eternity later.
Been 4 hours and a couple of minutes, and our fudge is ready. Yeah. 4 hours worth it. So our fudge is ready. As you can see, it's pretty crinkled and stuff. So basically all you have to do is take the fudge out of the baking paper. It should have hardened up. If it hasn't hardened up, then it's probably not been in the fridge for long enough, as you might have to put it in there a bit longer. Now, we can serve. Well, it really does depend on the way you serve it. Considering the size of this, I know it may not come in a perfect box, but the back is fine. It's up to you to choose how to serve your fudge. So guys, it's ready and ready to be presented. Okay guys, as usual, you guys will love this. Please try it at home. You can put this in the fridge. If you have guests coming over, this is good. Apart from the time it takes for us to freeze, that was agonizing. You can prepare this and they will love it. Hey everyone, I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Please comment down below what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!